Welcome to the Learn JSON Step-by-Step course, where we'll gradually unfold the layers of JSON, exploring its intricacies and practical applications. Let's establish our learning roadmap through the various steps in this course, each building upon the previous one. Step 1. Introduction to JSON. In this step, we'll discuss the roots of JSON, understanding its origins and evolution. We'll explore the history of JSON and its pivotal role in modern data exchange, laying the groundwork for a deeper comprehension. Step 2. JSON syntax. Moving forward, we'll dissect the fundamental syntax of JSON. We'll unravel the components that define the structure of JSON data, providing you with a hands-on understanding of its building blocks. Step 3. JSON data types. Our exploration continues with an examination of the diverse data types supported by JSON. From strings to numbers, we'll discuss the range of data that JSON can represent. Step 4. Strings in JSON. Zooming in, we'll specifically focus on the representation of textual data in JSON. You'll gain insights into the techniques for structuring and managing text-based information. Step 5. Numbers in JSON. Numbers play a crucial role in data representation. In this step, we'll uncover how JSON efficiently represents numeric data, providing you with a solid understanding of numerical structures. Step 6. Booleans in JSON. Shifting gears, we'll explore the world of Booleans in JSON. We'll discuss the representation of true and false values, providing clarity on how JSON handles Boolean data. Step 7. Arrays in JSON. Connecting the dots, we'll introduce arrays in JSON. You'll learn how to represent ordered lists of values, a fundamental concept for organizing and managing data. Step 8. Objects in JSON. Transitioning to more complex structures, we'll dive into JSON objects. We'll discuss the power of key-value pairs, allowing you to create sophisticated data structures. Step 9. Null value in JSON. In this step, we'll explore how JSON represents the absence of a value through null. Understanding the significance of null is essential for working with JSON data effectively. Step 10. JSON versus XML difference. Bridging our understanding, we'll compare JSON and XML. We'll highlight the differences between these two data interchange formats, providing insights into when to choose one over the other. Step 11. JSON parsing. Practical application takes center stage as we explore JSON parsing. You'll learn how to parse JSON data in various JavaScript programming languages, equipping you with hands-on skills. Step 12. JSON serialization. Building on our practical skills, we'll look into JSON serialization. We'll discuss the process of converting objects to JSON strings, a crucial aspect of data manipulation. Step 13. JSON deserialization. Continuing our journey, we'll move beyond serialization to deserialization. You'll master the art of converting JSON strings back into objects for practical usage. Step 14. JSON schema. Concluding our exploration, we'll introduce JSON schema. You'll learn how to define the structure of JSON data, ensuring consistency and integrity in your data representations. Each step in this course is carefully crafted to enhance your understanding of JSON, from its fundamentals to practical applications. Join me on this structured learning journey, where each step builds upon the previous one, providing you with a comprehensive and cohesive understanding of JSON. Let's start on this learning adventure together. Thanks for watching. See you in the course.